Today I'm doing an Icom radio. This is a kind of a ham radio or amateur radio. I'm doing in a Jeep. It's a really nice toy, nice, not the radio, the Jeep itself. So the customer had a CB here, and I had to use the existing bracket, use 3 nuts and bolts here. The easiest way is to open the top cover, the top lid, in order to access some bolts. So I had to modify the Icom existing bracket in order to mount it here. So that's kind of a little bit of mechanical work, but in order to run my cables, my new cables, I had to take these trims out, and those ones, so take the mirror out because you want to take this one, then that one comes out, the one that is hiding the harness that goes to the radio. It's a harness that I use split loom for that. So take this one out, run the cable, take this one out, run the cable here. Then there is a sealant that I use there. The cable comes here with the antenna, and it splits and it goes to the power, which I have to connect. I haven't done it yet. And some people choose to go this way, but I thought I want to stay away from the engine. This is very crowded engine compartment, so I choose to run it like some other guy. I had to take this cover here, so take the wipers out, run my antenna cable, and the antenna cable goes across and comes like that, and comes in here to this bracket. So this is a custom bracket that I had to use the hammer and bend it a bit, and of course I have to use to put back this thing here and the wipers. And yeah, it looks an easy job, but it takes a long time. So this is a nice, really nice color Jeep. I like it, but I don't like to have such a big engine in the front of my car. So it's a nice weekend toy, and they decided to install a nice radio. So Icom radio in a off-road Jeep.